Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini in CMD. First, navigate to the Google AI Studio website. This is your starting point for accessing the powerful Gemini models. Once there, you'll need to generate a unique API key. This key acts as your personal credential, allowing your applications to communicate with Gemini. Remember to keep this key private and secure, as it grants access to your usage. Now that you have your API key, let's set it up. Copy the key you just generated. Next, open your system's environment variables settings. This is a crucial step for securely storing your key without embedding it directly in your code. Create a new system variable, naming it Google API key. Then, paste your copied API key into the variable's value field. This makes the key accessible to your scripts. To interact with Gemini, you'll need Python. Make sure you have Python version 3.9 or newer installed on your system. If not, download and install it from the official Python website. Once Python is ready, open your command prompt or terminal. We'll use pip, Python's package installer, to get the necessary library. Type pip install Google Generative AI and press enter. This installs the official Google Generative AI library. Finally, let's run Gemini from your command prompt. Create a simple Python script, perhaps named Gemini CMD. Py. Inside this script, you'll import the Google Generative AI library. Then, configure the library using Geni. Configure and your Google API KEY environment variable. Write a few lines to send a prompt to Gemini and print the response. Save your script, then open CMD, navigate to its directory, and run it using Python Gemini CMD. Py.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.